Good morning, guys. It is Shantavia coming with you with another video today.
Hello guys, we are leaving TJ, TJ's Max. I just got out of school a couple minutes ago, like 30 minutes or an hour.
11 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Hi,
yes,
guys.
we have been missing a lot of Vlogmas days. So, we'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so we are now opening up the chocolate. We have to do 2 because we did not do 17 yesterday. So I got both of our 19s because it is Wednesday, December the 19th. And then 18. And also I'm watching our vlog. Make sure you watch that after you watch this video. Okay. So Mokai is asleep, so I'm just going to eat the rest of the chocolate. And we'll see you guys probably around dinner time. Peace.
Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas day. I don't even know. I think it's day 20. Day 20. Check me on that. I'm pretty sure Myanna's going to vlog when she get up, though, to check my time. But Vlogmas day 20, guys. And look. My baby is so sweet. She left us cards on the Christmas tree for Mommy and Daddy. So let's see what it says. To Mom from Myanna. I think you are a great parent. I will always take me to school on time, and there are many reasons I love you. Aww. She loved me because I take her to school on time. But no, isn't that so sweet? So I'm curious to see what she has to say for her daddy. But we'll find out when he come downstairs before he get ready to go to work. So yes, isn't that so sweet? She's such a sweetheart, guys. For now, anyway.
Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. I can't believe it's Vlogmas Day 20. We have 5 more days until Christmas. And Mama is here icing. She gotta go teach. Okay, so she gotta go teach. And we got our puzzles here. I want to tell you why. Because Elfie, he says there are 3 more puzzle bags hidden. Can you find them and put the puzzles together? So there's one in here. And I thought I had to find 1 more, but I need to find 2 more. So, oh goodness. So I think we're going to do that when we come home from school today. And also today is also an exciting day because tomorrow is our half day because of Christmas break. So yeah, then we'll see you guys later. Peace.
You vlogging? Hi, say hi, guys. Hi. Say I'm at the mall. I'm about to ride on the train. Makai, say hi. So guys, he turned the camera on and now he's being shy. But anyway, we're getting ready to go on a train ride. Okay. Say bye-bye. Choo-choo. It's about choo-choo. Okay. Choo-choo. Say hi, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 20. And we are going to be opening up our tablets. Opening up our little tabs. So I already found day 20. It's right here. Here. And we can't wait to see what it's going to be. And here's Makai. He's right here. Oh goodness, I can't even open this. Oh, but let me turn it down. There you go. Now you can actually hear me. And so this is like a little lion. That's what they kind of look like, a little lion. I don't know what it's doing on a Christmas calendar. Well, it is an adventure calendar. Goodness. You can't see me. My guys keep scooting me down. Oh. Okay, we got 2 lions. Let's see if Makai want one. You want one? Chocolate? Okay. He don't want it. And we will see you guys in a little. Hey guys, so I'm going to go ahead and close out this vlog. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bells, and comment down below what time do you go to bed. And we'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey!
Guys!
Turn the camera off.